Alright, so this comparison video, I'm going to do two different versions of Thomas and Friends, Thomas and the Jet Engine, and Other Adventures. Yep, I have both the VHS and DVD versions right here. Yep. Episodes are Thomas and the Jet Engine, Percy and the Haunted Mine, Scaredy Engines, Harold and the Flying Horse, Bulgy Rides Again, and Salty Stormy Tale, plus a song called Boo Boo Choo Choo. Huh. I don't think there's a print date. I mean, it may seem like there's one visible ink, but at least sometimes, or a lot of times, it seems hard to tell there's a print date and visible ink on certain VHS tapes. So, yeah. Plus, yeah, most Anchor Bay Entertainment VHS tapes don't seem to have print dates anyway. Okay. Obviously, yeah, this has the same episodes as the VHS tape, obviously. Plus, this also has the same song from the VHS called the Boo Boo Choo Choo song. So, yeah.